For a vehicle owner, maintenance comes down to three things: safety, reliability, and performance. We are recommending the BG Transmission Service to improve the reliability and performance of your vehicle. Much like a clogged drain in the kitchen sink, the buildup of deposits in your transmission can impede the proper flow of fluid through the micro passages in your car's transmission. Without proper maintenance, you'll experience shuddering and erratic shifting. The BG Transmission Service loosens deposits with a cleaner and then exchanges the old fluid with new, high-quality fluid, which helps prevent shifting problems and provides anti-wear protection to extend component life. This service is backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no additional charge and covers up to $2,000 in service-related repairs. Be good to your car. Choose to perform the BG Transmission Service today.